You've probably heard the buzz that we're extending Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote to the browser with Microsoft Office 2010. Well, it's true. My name is Monica, and I'm here to show you what the experience will be like. More and more people are working remotely these days. Just last week, I was lucky enough to be traveling around Europe for work. But when I had to make critical updates to a Word document, the only thing at my disposal at the time was a kiosk with Internet Explorer. I was able to view my document with great fidelity and immediately make my critical updates. And look, the document richness is preserved. If the kiosk didn't have IE, no problem. The Word web application works with Firefox and Safari too. I recently had an off-site meeting with my team to prepare for an upcoming discussion with our VP. We quickly saw the need to create a brief presentation for that meeting. Let me show you how convenient it was to be able to create a presentation using the PowerPoint web application. We opened this slide deck from SharePoint using a Firefox browser. Notice the great viewing experience of the presentation and how I can use the familiar ribbon to add slides or edit slide content. I wouldn't give up the full capabilities of my Office applications on my PC. But isn't it great to know you can access your Office files from anywhere directly in a browser and quickly make some changes on any PC or Mac? Web applications like these that are part of Office are changing the way people interact with information. Let's look at the Excel web application. Recently, I was staying in a hotel in Las Vegas. By using the hotel's internet connection and a local computer reserved for guests, I could still connect to our Team Extranet site and open an Excel file directly from our SharePoint document library. I could interact with the workbook on the server to look at my budget information. I was able to sort and filter the data, and even look at different sheets in my workbook for additional information. And then by clicking Edit, I can make any changes, even using formulas, just like in Excel on the desktop. The great thing is that it stays in SharePoint for easy sharing with my team. Collaborating online with others is a huge part of my job. My team shares a OneNote notebook online as a central place we store our information, like web clippings and notes from the road. With the OneNote web application, we can access our notebook from anywhere using a browser. So multiple people on my team can all edit the same notebook at the same time. And if I'm working in a notebook and need clarification on any updated information, I can immediately see who made the update and contact them about it. Thanks for joining me. Now you know, wherever you go these days, as long as you have access to the internet, you'll be able to create, communicate, and collaborate online with Microsoft Office 2010.